Hi guys, so 253 of you already have received EzeeCube. We received tons of feedback, what's working, what's not working for you guys, and we were relentlessly sorting out some of the issues, updating the software on the cube and on the app side. And one of the major issues was with Android phones. Due to many models and Android versions, Qt libraries had some problems. So we solved many of those, and in this update I will go through the things that the next software update will have, including the mobile phone as well as the EzeeCube. So one of the first feedback that we got was the crash on the Android phone when people were trying to set up the EzeeCube. So when you do get started, you type in your name, click next, then you say keep my photos synced, allow next, you say keep my contacts synced. Now many of you complained that when you allow access here, the app on Android was crashing. That was the bug of the Qt libraries on Android. When it accesses the camera, it sometimes crashes. So we fixed that. Now you should be able to see the screen. Once you see the screen, you go to your and you have set up your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, downloaded the app already. Now you have to just scan the QR code and wait for it to get paired. So this now should automatically scan the QR code, unlike previous version of Android where you had to tap on the screen to scan the QR code. I'll go ahead and press next and then done. So while it's getting paired, some of the changes we made on the app side, I'll go through them one by one. Now we have added a right click method on the EzeeCube itself using the TV remote or EzeeCube remote. So for example, if you need to go to apps, you go to any of the apps, and if you hold down the select button, it will bring up the context menu. So you can select the context menu and operate that. We also added a search function right here. So you can go to the top of the sorting icons, navigate to the right, the search icon will come up, and you can start typing to search whatever you like. We also received some of the feedback about the layout of the keyboard. We improved the layout, make it much easier to navigate and much easier to finish your search. So let's say I will search a photo album. It basically search everything that you have on your cube. I will search just hey, and let's see what comes up from this search. So the moment I click done, it will list everything that you found with the name hey. So I was looking for the photo album of our daughter named Hey right here, and it also found all the movies and everything else that was there. You can simply click here and you can go ahead and play the movie if it was the movie that you found. We also found that some of you had problems setting up the audio and video settings. So if you wanted to set some of the audio and video settings, you have to press the select button on the remote. This context menu at the bottom will show up. Navigate to the video. If you want to change the video settings, and press enter. It will bring up the music audio settings dialog box. You can set up your dialog box. You can enable the pass-through if you like. Enable pass-through allows EzeeCube to send the encoded audio stream directly to your hi-fi system or amplifier and let your amplifier decode the audio stream. You can also access the video settings from here. You click on it and it will bring your video settings, and you can change your video settings. Okay, so some of the other update was If you want to configure any of your add-ons that you have, you can select the add-on that you want to configure, navigate to the configure button, and this is where you can change the setting of your add-ons. We also found out that the time here was not, okay, let me go back again. Time here was not automatically updating. We have now added the feature so that this time is updated based on your location. We also added a network indicator. It will show you if you're connected to the internet or your box is connected to the internet or not. We added some more information into the music visualization. So let's say if you're playing a music and if you wait a couple of seconds, 20 seconds basically, then it will go to the music visualization screen, or you can go manually by going here and into this. So now we show what's currently playing, who's playing, what's the next track, what track number and the time. Some of them were already part of the base Kodi visualization. We removed the 3D bars to make this. Then same, once if the music is playing, the visualization also shows on the home screen and you can see what's playing. Let me unmute this, and you can navigate to the right to pause or play back again. I'll stop that. We added a files manager into the skin, so you can go to the file manager, and if you want to add new source from the internet for installing add-ons, or you connect your hard drive in the back, you can go there and add a new source. You can simply click add source. If it's a internet library, then you can just type it here, or you can browse it for the local folders. Okay, these are the most of the changes we did on the EzeeCube side. We also have added features such that whenever you have new content coming in, it will automatically update the library. It will also let you install the add-ons from QR code that I will show you later from the mobile app.